It's time for elimination. So stay for silver votes is Gerald and Moldy. It's SpongeBob on the Moldy, of course. And Mitsumi 6, yes. It's down to Mean Girl and Bunny. What did I do? Bunny's safe. Oh, you think I got angry for no reason, eh? It was because of this stupid thing. It's not even the hostess. It's from Jigsaw. Did you just say the J word? Fine, you found out the truth. I am Jigsaw. What are you doing? No. Up. Now she's gone. You all will be gone too. What? No. She's joking. It must be a challenge. That's definitely the host. I don't think it's the host, guys. I think the host is kidnapped. True. Oh no. Ow, how am I? You have 60 seconds. What's it, I don't know, 60 minutes? I'm not sure. 60 seconds, I don't know, it's 60 hours. There, are you happy? No! You have that much minutes to solve the puzzle. Go. Question 1, where those babies come from? No. They come from your mom's stomach. That was a trick question, idiot. Oh. Kids watch this, idiot. How was I supposed to know that? You're SpongeBob. So, we cuss. No, we don't. Time's up. Now we're gonna check on 60 seconds of Mitsumi 6 and Bunny. Why are we together when everyone else? Oh, you're so cute. What? I'm kind of getting close to you. No! Wait! And those two are together. Oh man, I'm so scared. Me too. Now that Ahmed's gone, we should make a relationship together. I'm just gonna kill them. No, stop kissing me, idiot. I'm not gay. I'm a girl. I don't have a gender. What do you expect? Okay, this is it. You'll die. Vote for first Mitsumi 6, second Bunny, third SpongeBob, please don't mommy, fourth Jared, and fifth Moldy. Will the answer say so?